Ready?
You ready, Seth?
Yeah.
C'est bon.
Bonjour, this is Andrew Lim inviting you to go out on a limb. I'm super excited today because I'm at the legendary Paul Bocuse restaurant. So if you come to Lyon and you want to indulge in some fine dining, you definitely have to come to Paul Bocuse restaurant because he was widely regarded as the father of gastronomy here in France and the founder or the father of nouvelle cuisine. As you know, in Lyon, the traditional Lyonnaise restaurant or Lyonnaise cuisine are pretty heavy and pretty rich. So he actually dared to go create something that is fresh, cleaner, lighter, and place emphasis on really fresh ingredients. And because of that, nouvelle cuisine was born, and this restaurant was born as well. Paul Bocuse unfortunately passed away last year. In fact, he actually passed away at the age of 91 in one of the rooms upstairs at this restaurant. So he was born here and he passed away here as well. So I cannot wait to check out the famous truffle soup that he created in 1975 for the French president back then. And I also cannot wait to try a bunch of his nouvelle cuisine that his staff obviously carried on cooking today in his absence. So come with me, we'll have some great dining together.
That's so easy. You broke the pastry on the top with your spoon,
and wait few minutes because it's very hot.
Hot.
Take your time.
Right, great. I will do that. So guys, this is the popular truffle soup that the late Chef Paul Bocuse created for the then French president in 1975. Of course, our server gave us the story as well. So you can actually read the story while you eat the truffle soup.
Tourne le doublure, le plateau.
So it's the popular chicken in the bladder.
Tu mets un peu de riz à droite, un peu de légumes à gauche.
Ready?
Ready, ça?
Yeah.
C'est bon, j'ai fait des alentours.
Voila. Beautiful.
You prefer to start with the legs part or the
Yeah, sure.
breast legs part?
Next part is good, right?
Yeah, we love it.
Dark meat.
Yeah.
Et voici.
Et voici, monsieur, pour accompagner votre volaille, with the chicken, cream, morous mushrooms, rice, and better vegetables.
Great, merci beaucoup.
Merci, monsieur.
Nicely done. Cute, classic. So as if we have not had enough food, this is the dessert.
Monsieur, what would you like? One each if you like. You get floating island, meringue, orange, raw fruit, mixed fruit salad, pineapple, vanilla ice cream, berry sorbet, or like Eclair, chocolate cake.
And
That's what you recommend.
Yeah.
oh really?
Yeah. So I can have a five.
So you get crème brûlée, or rum baba,
And you have, what do you get?
I have a
fruit salad with berry sorbet on the top, and prawn.
Oh, that's good.
Prawn.
What is that white thing with the football?
Floating island meringue, soft meringue, very light. It looks bigger, but it's very light.
Chocolate cake?
Yes, with some vanilla ice cream.
Did you recommend
Yes.
that? Okay.
I recommend vanilla and raspberry. Okay?
Yeah.
And
This is your creme brulee, right?
Yes.
Regular creme brulee. Should I eat creme brulee?
yeah, crème brûlée for tasting. Just a dash.
But the meringue is to be good
Alright,
too,
yeah,
right?
but
I'm gonna weigh 300 pounds.
voilà. Talk to me. Hein?
It's good? Good.
Voilà. Bon appétit.
Merci. So we had an amazing experience at Paul Bocuse. There's way too much food, but everything was meticulously prepared. I think Chef Christophe Muller has really carried the flag well for the late Chef Paul Bocuse, because now it's under the helm of Chef Christophe Muller. I even got to take a picture with him, but I think the food was executed really well, especially with the chicken cooked in the bladder and the truffle soup as well that was created for the French president in 1975. So all in all, a great meal. I do advise that you actually come eat the tasting menu for lunch instead of dinner, because there's definitely a lot of food, a lot, like way too much. So anyways, this is Andrew Lim checking out. Talk to you soon. Au revoir.